Bar pullover, pronated grip. The pullover is a classic bodyweight exercise where you pull yourself over the bar and rotate your hips up and around, finishing in a support position on top, just like the top of a straight bar dip. It's a great skill for building upper body pulling strength, especially through the lats, biceps, and core. It also improves body awareness, hip drive, and teaches you the kind of transition mechanics you'll need for more advanced movements like the backwards roll on gymnastics rings. To get started, it's best to use an elevated surface so you can comfortably grab the pull-up bar with a semi-false grip. Think about placing your knuckles on top of the bar, with your wrists slightly flexed underneath. This sets a more stable shoulder position and gives you better pulling leverage. From a dead hang, initiate the pullover by pulling up. You want to bend the elbows to about 90 degrees before you start lifting the legs. Start with the pull up, not the toes to bar. As you pull, bring the legs up into an L-sit. Legs straight, toes pointed, and feet together. Once your legs are perpendicular to your torso, begin leaning the shoulders back and lifting the hips. This shifts your torso from vertical to horizontal, while your legs move from horizontal to vertical. A clear and coordinated rotation. As your shoulders move back and down, your hips and legs rise up. Keep pulling down on the bar as your body rotates around it. When your torso is parallel to the floor and your legs are pointing straight up, continue pulling to get the hips up and over the bar. And if you're a guy, make sure you clear the bar with your hips so you don't crush your balls. To make that happen, lead with the legs. Maintain the L-sit shape until your hips are resting on top of the bar. Once they're up, open the hips and transition into a straight bar dip support position. As you do this, your hands will naturally rotate around the bar, bringing your wrists on top. From the top, you'll reverse the movement to return to the hang. Start by bending the elbows to bring the bar to the top of your hips. Keep your legs straight, feet together, and begin to pike at the hips as you lean the shoulders forward and down. Your hands should rotate back into the semi-false grip, knuckles on top, wrists below. Once your torso is upside down in a vertical position, begin pulling down on the bar to control the descent. Keep the L-sit shape locked in as your torso becomes parallel to the floor. From there, hold a 90-degree elbow bend while your hips and legs lower into a hollow body shape and your shoulders rise into the halfway point of the pull-up. To finish the rep, extend the elbows and return to the full dead hang. Pullovers can be performed for single reps, or you can begin to link them together into sets of 2 to 10. It's a fun and challenging movement to unlock, and it's a solid step towards more advanced skills like the backwards roll on the gymnastics rings. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.